Hey guys, Farmer Nick here. Today we're going to be making a sourdough starter. And a sourdough starter is a really great thing to have for you and your family to continuously have a bread supply at home. As long as you continue to feed your starter, because it is a living thing, you're going to be on track to have lots and lots of bread in the near future. Now it does take about a week or so to get going, which is a lot of effort to put into bread. So you'll have to continue to feed your starter, continue to make observations about the smell and the appearance of the starter, things such as bubbles rising to the surface. But really, it shouldn't be too hard, and it's especially not hard to at least get going. And so what you're gonna need is just a jar for your starter, a fork to mix your ingredients, some flour of really any variety, and water. And to be precise, it'd be great if you could use a scale. And so your initial amounts are going to be about 50 grams of flour and about 50 grams of water, which is about a fourth of a cup of water and about a third of a cup of flour. And so if you want to be more precise, use a scale. If not, try to use about a third of a cup of flour for every fourth of a cup of water. And so all you're going to do is put your flour in your jar gently, making sure not to spill too much. Followed by your water. And you're just gonna mix it up with your fork into what is really kind of a paste of sorts. And once you have a more uniform mix going, you're good to leave it. And simply, you're just gonna cover your starter with some sort of tea towel or rag or even plastic wrap, and you're gonna leave it for 24 hours. And you're gonna come back to it, check it, and we will take you through the feeding schedule for your sourdough starter on the Sustain Ed lesson. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you guys learned some, and please tune in for our next video. Thanks a lot, guys.